Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to find courses using TUM Online. We will begin taking a look on how to use the module catalog of the TUM Department of Informatics, as it is a great way for international exchange students, such as you, to get a first overview of the offered courses. Start by opening the module catalog from the Incomings Exchange website. To get there, type in.tum.de/incomings. In your browser, click on Courses, How to Find Them, How to Find Current Courses, and finally, Module Catalog. The module catalog includes descriptions of each course in English, and shows the ECTS credits it gives, which is a measure of its workload. Something important to keep in mind is that only a subset of these modules are taught in the summer or in the winter semester, so remember to filter them accordingly. Some of the entries are unavailable in both semesters, even though they appear in the list. Modules like practical courses are identified by IN 0012 or IN 2106, while seminars are identified by IN 0014 and IN 2107. They consist of up to 40 different topics per semester that you can choose from and are not indicated in the module catalog. So check the course list for the current offering. A little note: it's important to consider that when searching for courses, they are not published before mid-January for the summer semester and mid-July for the winter semester. Before that date, check the respective course list for previous summer or winter semesters. If a course was available last year, it will likely be offered again. Now navigate to campus.tum.de and change the language to English in the upper right corner. And navigate to Courses. Let's assume that the course list for the upcoming semester is already published. First, switch to your academic year and then use the filter icon to filter by semester. W stands for winter and S stands for summer. After the results are done loading, there will be many pages to look at, which you can navigate to using the arrows . You can refine your results even further by searching directly by title, type, of course, or language. By clicking on a title, you can find additional information such as where and when the course will take place. The TUM application deadline for exchange programs is set in May or October respectively, forcing you to make a first choice of courses before the ones in the upcoming semester are officially scheduled. Therefore, you have to indicate a list of courses based on the ones that took place in the respective semester of the previous academic year. Now you know the fundamentals of finding courses with TUM Online. However, there are a few more things you should be aware of as an exchange student. We strongly recommend spreading the workload by selecting a variety of types of courses. You can choose among lectures, practical courses and seminars at the TUM Informatics. Lectures give between 3 to 8 ECTS credits at our department, while practical courses are always worth 10 ECTS credits. Seminars give 5 ECTS credits. At TUM, unlike other universities, each ECTS credit corresponds to 30 hours of work. We expect exchange students to select a workload where a minimum of 60% consists of modules offered by TUM Informatics. This applies both to the total number of courses and ECTS credits. The courses starting with IN are the ones you are allowed to enroll in, except for the ones with a leading 5 or 8 in their unique letter number combination. It is very important that you indicate the IN module code together with the course title in your study program or learning agreement. We allow you to take up to 40% of your courses from other TUM departments or units, such as TUM School of Management or TUM Language Center, for example. The more informatics courses, though, the better. The standard full-time workload is 30 ECTS credits per semester, but we strongly recommend that exchange students enroll for 20 to 25 ECTS credits in informatics to not become overloaded. Note that language courses do not count towards your ECTS workload in informatics.